Hey guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're having a great day. Today, Aaron and I, as you guys can see, we're out bass fishing. We got a little bit of a late start today, but we got a couple hours out here, see if we can catch some fish. A little bit of a smaller lake, so, you know, shouldn't take too long to find something. But yeah, high hopes for today. I am really excited to fish for some buckets. You know, coming up you guys are going to see a lot of smallmouth stuff, but right now still some largemouth stuff. I want to show you guys what we got rigged up. This beautiful reel cover. We got ourselves a chatterbait, you guys can see. Also going to take out a frog since we did so good last time. Aaron's got a jig, and I have a jig here somewhere as well. Yeah, the black staple right there, Freedom Tackle flipping jig with a little paca craw. My go-to jig right there. We'll see if they like the black. I've caught them on like a orange green pumpkin here before, so if anything I'll change it up. But that is what I'm starting out with. Got one. First cast. Big one. Not very big, never mind. Decent one. First cast. Oh, I love buckets. Literally just right up in the reeds. That's not a bad one. Thank you. Oh, well, hopefully this means today is going to be a good day for some buckets. Oh yeah, that's 3.5 all day.
It's a good fish.
It's a good fish. We're going to snap a picture of this one on that jig. There you go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful fish on that all black flipping jig. Send him back over here into the reeds. First cast. If they're up in those reeds, like that fish, it's gonna be a fun day.
Get her up, get her up.
I'm trying. Big. It's not that big. Might go 4. Black
Maybe
jig.
there's 2 of them in there.
Maybe. Can't lie, I did see this one in there up shallow. It's another good one right there. Do you think that'll go maybe 4?
That's
3, high 3s.
3, mid
Yeah.
3.
Very nice. Feels absolutely amazing. Feisty, feisty post spawner right there. There you go, guys. On that jig once again. Another probably high 3 right there. Post spawner. Big head. I thought it was a big fish because I saw the head, but she is, in fact, not that big. Send her right back. Probably a her, since she looks like she spawned. Oh, feisty, feisty, feisty. 2 fish. 2 good fish on the black jig. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get a hook shot.
I did. He like, no, barely. He just, whoa, feisty. He just like slurped it. Hey, little guy. Ow! Oh, he's blind in one eye. Even the blind fish like the black jig. Oh, he's plump. Nice and plump. No, I think he came out of the reeds for that one. Back off here a little bit.
I thought you were going to lose that.
Yeah, I did not. He just slurped it. I wasn't even paying attention.
fish?
Yeah. In the toolies, baby. In the toolies. Oh, he came off.
Good fish.
That's, yeah. Here, let me turn this around so we don't get stuck up shallow. Dude, literally like a foot of water that fish was in. So sick. Another good fish right there. Probably another 3, low 3. Not as skinny as the other fish. Super, super shallow in the toolies. So sick. We're literally just bombing casts into these toolies and into the pads. And a lot of the times there's a fish sitting in there. Look at that. So feisty. So feisty. On the black jig again. Like, definitely a confidence bait for me, as you guys can see. Got him. Pike.
Yummy. I knew that was gonna happen.
Cabbage. Warrior.
Cabbage dragon.
Yeah. Ew. We like you in the spring. We don't like you in the summer. Oh God. Okay, that's just here. Let me get the pliers quick. I'll hold it. He's so small.
What's that?
He's so small.
Definitely not a fan of you.
Yes, here you go. Wait. Turn around. There you go. Bye-bye. You hit it good. On the black jig.
Look how stumpy he is.
He's short and fat. Very nice. Can you see that jig?
I want to see the stumpy bass.
No.
Look at him, he's a miniature.
He's cute. This is the Freedom Tackle flipping jig. The structure jig is also really popular, has more of a flat head, comes through tree and rock a lot easier, but I like this guy because it has a little bit of a pointier head and it comes through grass a little bit easier than the structure. And since we're fishing a lot of lily pads, a lot of toolies, right now we're dunking in 8 feet of water, comes through a little bit easier, doesn't pick up as much grass, and as you guys can see, catches them. Alright guys, that is a wrap for today. Spent a couple hours out here, found some super shallow largemouth in the reeds, not the lily pads. We fished all the lily pads, couldn't find any in there, but they really liked the reeds and the toolies, and even a couple of mixed in lily pads, kind of where it transitioned. But ended up catching a couple of good fish, nothing over 4 pounds, but good average today. And yeah, all of it on the jig, so it was a blast. Love setting the hook into fish on the jig. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to leave links to everything I used down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next one.